Hi guys, John Piccarello here, and I am excited about the conference coming up in January, the Be Intentional 2021 Leadership Conference, put on by Lions Pride. And one of the sessions that we're going to be having is Intentional Leaders. Are you an intentional leader? We're going to be talking about several things, and one of the things we're going to be talking about is the Pro-D Leadership Assessment. Pro-D is an assessment tool that helps leaders understand their strengths and also how to stay in those strengths. Also, the other aspects of leadership. What are your skill sets? What motivates you? And how do you behave? What are the leadership behaviors, styles? And how do people see you? Because behavior is your mode of expression. So we're going to be talking about those things that leaders do, and also about how to stay in your strength and how to build your teams by staffing to your weaknesses. So what that simply means is not that, oh, you're deficient or you're failure, but it just means that you want to stay in your strength. And if you will staff to people who are strong where you are weak, you will have a well-balanced team. And especially if you have an executive team, then that's a powerhouse. And you'll be moving forward intentionally in 2021.
Hi, my name is Chad Reyes, and I'm excited to share with you about our 2021. Hi, my name is Chad Reyes, and I'm excited to share with you about our upcoming conference, our Be Intentional 2021 conference. And we're going to have a session on intentional behaviors. Now, a lot of the times we talk about transformation occurs through a four-step process. That four-step process is managing your thought life, making sure your belief system is effective and with solid and the right beliefs, making sure you have the right behaviors, and then that leads to your results. But this session is all going to be on intentional behaviors, the things that we can do to be intentional with our time. And one of the things that we talk about is a principle that we use all the time. It's called the 10-80-10 principle. It's where intentional leaders have intentional behaviors where they take 10% of their time and they make sure that they're very clear on what the vision looks like, fully delegate it to the team, and then come in on the last 10%. That's the 10-80-10 principle. We're also going to be talking about in this intentional behaviors, the 70-25-5 principle. And that 70-25-5 principle is this. It's that we want to spend 70% of our time in our area of strength. Not only you and I, but also the people on our team. We want to spend 25% of our time in the areas that we're looking to develop, and only 5% in the areas which we're the weakest. Because the truth of it is, everything, all the success, everything you and I want in our life is in our areas of strength. So in this session, in this leadership talk, we're going to be talking about intentional behaviors and how to make 2021 your most intentional and best year ever. I hope that you join us. It's January 9th. It's a full-day conference, and I hope to see you there.
At this conference, we're going to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you're like me, you're going to love the fact that we have a barista bar throughout the day. Latte, macchiato, like my husband says. Lattes, macchiatos. We're just hoping to see you there and be intentional with 2021.